Heather Hooker here from thefitmomtribe.com, and I can't wait to share with you how to make the best high-fat, low-carb, keto-friendly tortilla chips. These are so good. You guys can make these, serve these to your kids, serve these to your husbands, your family members. Nobody is gonna complain about these chips, even though they are super healthy and some people might consider them diet food. They are delicious. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna get this Joseph's lavash bread. This stuff is the bomb. If you want to go keto or you want to go high fat, low carb, you definitely need to get your hands on some of this lavash bread. You might be able to find it locally in your grocery store. I order it in a 3-pack on Amazon. I will post the link below because I use this stuff for everything. I use it for wraps. I use it to make these chips that you can dip into all kinds of keto-friendly dips. I am Southern, clearly, so I love to eat things like pimento cheese. I love hummus. These chips that I'm going to show you how to make, that you make from these, you can use them in so many different ways. I also make pizzas on this, which is a super quick lunch, and my kids even like this. So definitely get yourself some Joseph's lavash bread. What you're gonna do is you're gonna just slice this up into little squares. So I slice it in the middle, I slice it in the middle again, and then I just cut it into triangles. So I make like chip shapes, and then you're gonna take your coconut oil. I've used a bunch of different coconut oils. I don't think there's any difference. This one is from the Fresh Market, but I have all different kinds. I think they're all the same. So any brand of coconut oil that you want, you're gonna use the smallest saucepan that you have. Put coconut oil in there, just, about an inch, maybe a little bit less than an inch. And you're gonna heat it over low heat. You really wanna watch this because coconut oil, it melts anyway, so it does not have to be super hot to fry these chips. So you might have to play around with that just a little bit, but definitely not high heat or medium. It's gonna be in the very low range. So once you slice up your lavash bread into chip shapes, you're just gonna dunk it in the coconut oil in your saucepan for just a couple minutes, flip it over, pull it out as soon as the edges start to turn just a tiny bit brown. And then I laid it on a plate with a paper towel under it, but it really doesn't, the lavash bread really soaks up the oil, so they're not greasy at all. So anyway, God, they're so good. I have another idea for making these chips that I have not done yet, but next time I make them, I want to have some erythritol, like some swerve and some cinnamon mixed together and sprinkle them right when they come out of the oil and make sort of like little teeny churros. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna make that. Watch out for that video. So let me give you the stats on this. So half of a lavash bread is 60 calories. It's gonna have 8 total carbs with 3 grams of dietary fiber. So that's 5 grams net carbs for 1/2 of the lavash bread. Earlier today, I used 1 whole lavash bread and I fried it all up into chips, and I ate half for my lunch with a buffalo tuna dip. It's like buffalo chicken, but I just used tuna. It was delicious. And then I'm saving the other half. So this is half in here. Saving the other half for tomorrow, and I'll eat that with something. I'm not sure, probably pimento cheese. So anyway, I hope this helps. I hope that you find high-fat, low-carb versions of all of your favorite foods that are traditionally carby, because for me, that helps me stick to this diet. So thank you for tuning in, and hit the button to subscribe.